So in SEM, we have a specific way to testing whether those indicators that either the theory directed me, empirical study find it out that certain indicator represent one latent variable, or from our life experience, we will see, okay, one of the latent variable is complicated. We need multiple of indicators to represent it. So whether our experience is true, whether the theory or empirical study is true, how do we know we have enough of indicators to represent one latent variable? Now in SEM, we're using one tool called confirmatory factor analyzing. It's a multivariate statistical procedure that is used to test how well the measured variable represent the number of constructs. So CFA is a tool that is used to confirm or reject the measurement theory. It suggests that, again, I mentioned earlier, for each latent construct, we will have multiple indicators to reflect. So CFA will helping us to identify whether all those indicators does exactly represent our latent variable. Maybe some indicators doesn't have a strong representation of the latent variable. Maybe some indicators is a really good representation of the latent variable. So that was the job of the confirmatory factor analysis for. So that is actually the early stage of running the SEM full model. So in